I was going in the tour of 3 kilometer up and down from Harajpura to Kukepura. In the first going from Harajpura to Kukepura, I saw the 6 white ibis in the field of Kishanpura, one woolly-necked stork, and 20 egrets of yellow weak I have seen. I have seen 2 drongo on the wires, one kingfisher, small kingfisher, whited kingfisher I have seen. I also seen white vulture in the tour. I was seeing that whole cottontail was flying over towards the sky at the water body of Kukepura, water body second. 2 cottontail was sitting in one field of Kukepura, and I have seen 2 water hen in the tour, 2 peacock and 2 peahen also seen in the tour.